How to fix a problem caused the program to stop working correctly on Windows. 1. Uninstall the KB3132372 update. 2. Norton antivirus software using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 3. Add the chrome.exe app. C:\program files, x86, /Google /Chrome /application into Comodo firewall exclusions. Path, Comodo firewall tasks advanced tasks. Advanced settings security settings defense plus hit settings. Detect shellcode injections exclusions. 4. Ensure that the Windows image acquisition, WIA, service is running. 5. Update your graphics card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. For cabinet users, create a new Need database. Path, Need Support Center Advanced Create Database. 7. Rename the Skype folder at %of.a%. 8. Turn off EVGA precision. 9. Update the ActX. 10. Disable Origin in-game for Battlefield 4. Refer to the IMG below.